Check out this beautiful 2008 Glastron GT 205. Bimini's in great shape. This whole boat's in great shape. Very well maintained. It's got a Volva Penta 5-liter, 270 horsepower. That's going to get this boat going 60 miles an hour. This thing is going to haul. There is a little dock damage right there. A little bit more up in there, but nothing too crazy. Just on the stickers. Trailer's in great shape. Nice extended swim platform here for your skiers, tubers. This is nice right here. Lift that up and you have a walkthrough so you don't have to walk the material every time. Cool little feature here. Some nice storage under there. Keep all your stuff. Very accessible. Pull that off of there to walk on it. A couple new Fusion speakers. 9-person capacity. 335 hours. All the gauge you would ever need. Snap out carpet. A little bit of a tear in there. A little bit right there. But other than that, the boat's in great shape. Come take a look.